Hey guys, welcome to my video on adding, subtracting, and multiplying polynomials. So in this video, you are going to learn how to properly add and subtract polynomials and how to properly write your answer in standard form. So remember that when you're adding or subtracting polynomials, you just want to make sure that you're combining the like terms. And when you are writing your answer in standard form, you want to make sure that your terms are going from highest power to lowest power, or they call that degree, highest degree to lowest degree. So I'm just going to highlight the fact that this is an addition problem. So when it's an addition problem, there's no need to distribute. All of these terms are just going, well, the terms you're just going to combine will combine, and that is it. So let's start. Okay, so looks like the highest term here is an x to the third power, or because it has the highest exponent. So I'm going to look for anything that has x to the third power. So it seems like there is none, and I will just write that down. 14x to the third power. Okay, so the next I'm going to look for x to the second power. So this is x to the second power, and this is x to the second power. And I'm just going to combine those. So 3 plus 1 is going to be 4x to the second power, or 4x squared. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to look for is x to the first power. So I have this as x to the first power, and I have x to the first power right here. Okay, so plus x and a negative x, that's going to give me 0x, so I don't have to write that. I'll write it for now, but later on when I write in standard form, I'm going to dismiss it. Okay, so now my constants. My constants are my standalone numbers. They are just by itself, and I have a 7 here, and I have a 2 here. All right, and 7 plus 2 is going to be 9. Okay, so when I rewrite this, it's going to be 14x cubed plus 4x squared plus 9. That is the addition of these two groups of polynomials. All right, I simply just added and combined my like terms and then reduced. Okay, let's see how different it is to subtract. All right, so here we are. This polynomial is being subtracted from this binomial. So therefore, what I will do here is I will distribute the negative to all three terms that's inside this group. I'm going to rewrite my first group, 1 minus x squared. And once I distribute the negative, what happens here is these terms are going to be its opposite sign. So now I have a negative 3x squared, now I have a negative 2x, and now I have a positive 5. Now it just becomes an addition problem. So remember, in order for us to write in standard form, we need to go from highest degree to lowest highest degree to lowest degree. The highest degree that I see here is x squared. So I have a negative 1x squared here, and I have a negative 3x squared here. When combined, I'm going to end up having a negative 4x squared. Okay, and then I need to gather around my x's. So negative 2x is by itself. There's no other x. There's no other x to the first power, so I'm just going to write it down, negative 2x. Okay, then the last ones that you have to combine are your constants. So these are your standalone numbers. So 1 plus 5 is going to be 6. And this is in standard form. That is it. That is how you would add or subtract polynomials. Thank you for watching.